Hey guys, welcome back to 96 Nutrition Street. Today we'll be making sweet potato toasts with 3 types of sweet potato. So we're going to make 2 savory ones and 1 sweet one. The sweet one is going to have the ingredients here: banana, berries, homemade granola, and almond butter. We have some mashed avo, cheese, slices of tomato and also cherry tomatoes, rocket leaves and baby spinach leaves, eggs which are boiled, and sesame seeds and almonds. So what I did with these sweet potatoes is super easy. I washed them, didn't even peel them because you actually want the skin because that's fiber and it helps your body digest them in a slower pace so you feel fuller for longer. So what I did is I cut it in slices which are not too thin or too thick, just thick enough so you can hold them up like this. And you just put them in the oven, 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You cook them for like 15 minutes around there and then they'll be soft. And once they're soft enough, you take them out, put them on a plate, and you can start plating them with any toppings you like. Let's start plating them. Put some avo mash on top. You can be generous because avocado is a very, very healthy fat. Plus it has vitamin K and yeah, a lot of vitamin A in the sweet potato. Now we're gonna add some leaves, some leafy greens. Here we have some rocket and also baby spinach leaves. We're just gonna put some dollops of avocado mash on top. Take a little bit of that, and wherever you want your cherry tomatoes to be, I'll just put it in 3 spots like that. So it just helps them to actually stay. And you get a little bit extra of avocado. And hey, who doesn't want a little bit more of avocado on their toasts? I'm just putting 3 because it looks pretty, but if you like more cherry tomatoes in your toast, go ahead and place them. So if you like really soft eggs like this one, you gotta boil the water first and then put the eggs in for 6 minutes. And we're gonna top it up with just a little bit of sesame seeds on top. Sesame seeds are actually very high in calcium, but it's really hard to get a lot of calcium from them by just garnishing with it. So what you can do is take sesame seeds and water and just blend them at high speed in a Vitamix or any blender that really blends things well. And yeah, you can have that as a drink. There you go, this one is done. It's super easy. It has avocado, cherry tomatoes, a little bit of spinach and rocket leaves, boiled eggs, and sesame seeds to garnish. Super easy. Now we're gonna make the toasties. So we're gonna use these, the purple sweet potatoes. Now we're just gonna place the tomato slices on top. And we're gonna put some cheese. We will season them with salt and pepper and take them to the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. And you can just put them there for like 5 to 7 minutes, just until they're completely melted. We're gonna take the white sweet potatoes and we're going to spoon a little bit of almond butter. So here I have this organic almond butter, which is super yummy. I normally put it on top of my oats. When I have banana, oats, and chia seeds, they're super yummy. So yeah, just cover them. I love blueberries, but fresh raspberries are the best. I made homemade granola the other day, which was with rolled oats, coconut, figs, sultanas, and pepito seeds, chia seeds. And this is it. Super yummy. It's like so crunchy and delicious and cheap, because normally if you buy these in stores it's like $7 the box. So I'll just put a little bit on top, just like garnishing it. Give it a little extra crunch and top it up with some chopped almonds. And we're done. That's how easy it is to make sweet potato toast. You can make them with any topping you want. These are my favorite toppings, but yeah, feel free to experiment with anything you have in the kitchen. My sweet potato toasties must be ready now. I'll go check them and bring them back for you. Here they are, super warm and hot, beautiful for a cold winter day or just any cold day. You can have them for lunch or for dinner. They're super yummy, and like you saw, super easy to make. Let's try these sweet potatoes. Let's start with this sweet one. So before I eat it, I'll just tell you what this one has. It's packed with fiber from the rolled oats and the sweet potato skin. It also has antioxidants, so vitamin A, C, and E, as I mentioned before in my last video. Then we've got the almonds, which are really rich in B vitamins. And the banana, of course, it has potassium, chia seeds, omega-3, and the sweet potato, vitamin A. The banana and the almond butter make it super creamy. The granola gives it that like crunch to it. A really good combo. Let's go to the next one. So the toasty. Let's see if this toasty is as good as regular toasties on sourdough. Super yummy. The reason why you want to make the toasties in the purple sweet potato or the white one is because they hold their shape really well. So you see, like, it doesn't really need much support. It's kind of like a really good substitution for the sourdough bread. This one doesn't hold very well. It's also packed with food, so I'm just going to eat it with a fork. If you guys liked these toasties and if you end up making them, let me know in the comments below. Also, you can follow me on Instagram to see what I'm up to. I'm normally making different recipes, like very original and nourishing ones. And thank you so much for watching, for taking the time to watch this. And I really hope you learned how to make these and that I encouraged you to make them at home. Super easy to make and they can be so pretty as well. Just have fun with them. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.